Today we are going to make fried tofu nuggets with salted egg yolk, a very delicious crispy recipe. Place half a cup of all-purpose flour into a bowl. Then, season the flour with some chili flakes or paprika powder. Add a pinch of salt and a little bit of MSG for an even better taste, but this is optional. Combine them together. Now, add half a cup of cold water. Give it a mix until there are no more chunks of flour left. My mixture is a bit too thick, so I will add a little bit more of water. Then mix everything until all have the same texture. Set it aside. Pour about 3 to 4 cups of panko into another bowl. In case you don't know what it is, panko is flaky bread crumbs. And we will set it aside and start to prepare tofu. Before cutting the tofu, please dry it up with a paper towel to avoid the water from making the oil splatter when it will be frying. We will carefully cut it into sticks. Now, roll the tofu stick into the flour mixture and make sure it's completely covered. Then, we will transfer the tofu onto the panko. Stick the breadcrumbs onto the tofu stick. And set the prepped tofu aside. By the way, if you would like to see the ingredient list or even have a PDF of the detailed recipe with photo for each step, go check in the video description. Now, repeat the previous steps for the rest of the tofu. And once finished, let's continue with the pan frying part. Turn the gas on medium heat and bring in your pan. Add 1 cup of rice cooking oil. You can use grapeseed or veggie oil as well. Stick a bamboo chopstick into the bottom of the pan to check if the oil is ready or not. If you see some bubbles around the chopstick, that means it's ready. Bring the tofu sticks into the oil and let them fry for 1 minute on each side. So far, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. That's a great way to support me. Time to flip it and let another side cook. Actually, like this is great already, but I would like to have a tiny bit darker. So I will let it fry 30 seconds more for each side. Once it looks nice and crispy, we are going to remove the tofu from the oil and place it onto a paper towel to absorb the excess oil. Now the yummy bonus step. This is kai dang kem or salted egg yolks. It's very fatty and creamy, kind of like a cheese. So delicious. Shred it on a grater all over the tofu sticks. If you didn't know, wouldn't you think it's cheese? For an even better taste, I will serve it with my homemade Thai sweet chili sauce. This tofu nugget very crispy and it's really going well with this Thai sweet chili sauce. So delicious! Go check my recipe if you want to make this sauce by yourself. You won't regret it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. See you next Saturday. Bye bye!